Welcome back to Onwards and Upwards. In this video, we're at Kawkawa Lake near Hope, BC, and I have some time to kill, so I thought I'd make a video just checking out this lake, seeing if the trails are nice around here. I probably won't go for a swim for obvious reasons, so let's keep going and check some stuff out. So next to these picnic benches, the trail is here. Pretty overgrown, pretty muddy, pretty nice. You really have to love these temperate rainforests. So if you grew up around this part of the world, you'd recognize banana slugs, which are really a unique, really cool slug. Somebody's water skiing over there. So right here, about 30 feet from the shore, there's a fallen tree with a tree growing out of it. What a sight. So here I found some old growth logging, a miraculous remnant from the old logging booms. This is a pretty big tree. So I'm back at the beginning of the trail, so I think it's a good time to wrap up this video. So if you're around the Hope area in British Columbia, check this lake out because there's a nice hidden trail around the lake and there's some cool spots. If you like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Onwards and Upwards.